everyone. Today is very important. It's recycling day.
Oh, rubbish day is rubbish. Oh, hello, Frog. Why have 5 bins when you can have 1?
Ah, here comes Mama Recycle to collect it all now. Mama Recycle! Watch out! Spinning screwdrivers! Poor Mama. Go, Tilly Tow Truck! Let's get you back on your wheels. Nuts and bolts. Mama's grabbing arm is bent. And she's all scratched too. Lots for us to do, mechanicals. Pick up your tools and say this rhyme. At Gecko's garage, it's fixing time. Your grabbing arm is bent right here. But don't worry, I have a clever idea. With some heat, the metal will bend and repair this car to our special friend. And don't forget some fresh paint too, so you will look as good as new.
Oh, help me! The wretched rubbish has returned!
Nuts and bolts! Mr. Weasel's trapped by his own waste. I don't think Mr. Weasel knows how to recycle. Let's show him how. Go, mechanicals! You see, Mr. Weasel? Recycling can be fun.
Well, you're not very good at it. You missed one. This is too much effort already. Old soup.
Thanks, Mama. See you soon. Bye, everyone. Success, mechanicals. Another happy customer.
Oh, no. It's a disaster.
What's wrong, Mr. Weasel?
It's Sly. My precious sports car has a dirty mark.
Sly's welcome to use our car wash.
My Weasel wash is far superior. Come along now, Sylvester. Stop dawdling. You need to be here. Uh-oh. Oh, no. No, not me, you robotic wretch. Oh. Sly! Do something. Oh, no, you clumsy clown.
Sly needs our help, Blue. Quick, grab my toolkit.
Oh.
Blue, hand me my wrench. This Weasel wash has gone wacky. Are you okay, Mr. Weasel?
Never better.
Glad to hear it. Mr. Spot. What's that yummy smell?
That's right, a free kebab for every customer. This is sure to get me more customers. In you go, Eric. Oh, cook faster.
Is something burning?
Oh! Oh, what's wrong with this silly thing? Oh! No! My beautiful barbecue!
Fiona fire truck, there's a fire!
We're saved! Oh!
Let's help fight that fire! Go, Mechanicals!
Oh, save it! Hurry up! Hurry up! Ew! Oh, I'm soaked!
Oops! Sorry! The hose won't reach. Great idea, Fiona. Let's use the fire extinguisher. Oh, I got you. Thank goodness everyone's safe. Great job, everyone. See you again soon. Bye. Hello, everyone. It's very cold today, so we need to wrap up warm.
Oh, what is wrong with you, Sly? Why won't you start? Achoo!
Sniffling screwdrivers. I think Mr. Weasel and Sly could use our help. Come on, Mechanicals. It's important to look after our neighbours. Oh, Mr. Weasel, you and Sly need some help. Let the Mechanicals take care of you, and I will look after Sly. Go, Mechanicals.
What's going on? Oh, no! Put me down!
It's okay, Sly. We'll take you back to the garage for a little checkup.
Leave me alone, trash cans! Oh, well, if you insist. I think I need some grapes, too. Oh! I said grapes, not brakes! Oh!
First, I have to work out how to open your bonnet, Sly. Which one is the right button? Aha! Don't worry, Sly. I know exactly what the problem is. Your battery needs recharging, and your water tank is almost empty. What tools do I need? Jump leads, water hose, Gecko's garage, time to fix. Gecko's garage, let's fix this. Sly's feeling thirsty and needs a quick drink. Time for a top-up of water, I think. Now connect the jump leads from Sly to Tilly, so Sly's battery can charge and he'll stop feeling chilly. Turn on Tilly's engine, that's all Sly needs, to share Tilly's power and zoom off at speed. Ah, you're welcome, Sly.
Oh! Sly! You're fixed and all better! Take me home, dear Sly. No, not backwards! Forwards! Oh, fine. Thank you, Gecko.
Oh, you're both very welcome. Anytime. Goodbye, everyone. Hello, everyone. We're just upgrading Eric's arm so he can dig holes even faster.
Ha! Call that an excavator? What rubbish! Behold, Sly's new mega drill. You don't stand a chance, Frog. I'm the finest mechanic in history. Watch. Help! I can't. Stop!
Oh, no. Mr. Weasel's drill is out of control. Go, go, Mechanicals! Red, are you okay? Aha! Mr. Weasel's magnet. Of course. Eric, I have an idea. Your arm is strong, so it's okay. Let's use this magnet to save the day. No, Eric!
I hate that.
You're safe now, Mr. Weasel. But, oh dear, there's a lot of mess to clean up.
I don't see why I should have to clean it up. This isn't my fault. I'm okay.
We'd better get a rope green. See you next time, everyone. Bye. Hello, everyone. We've just fitted a brand new brush to the car wash. Let's see how well it works. Hooray! It's working brilliantly. Well done, Mechanicals.
With this new engine, I'm the fastest weasel in town!
Oh dear, I don't like the look of this, Mechanicals. Yikes! Look out, Mechanicals! Oh, yuck! The oil has spilled everywhere.
Make it stop!
Spinning screwdrivers! Mr. Weasel's out of control!
Oh! Duh! Oh!
What a huge and nasty oil slick! Let's clean it up nice and quick. But this oil is very sticky. Oh, we're gonna need a bigger brush. Of course! We can use the old car wash brush. Please, can we attach it to your Mama Recycle? Grab some tools, it's fixing time. While we fix, we sing this rhyme. So we can clean up in a rush. Let's attach this car wash brush. Then you can spin it round and round and get that oil off the ground. Spin that brush nice and quick and let's remove this oil slick. Ready, everyone? Go, go, go! Great stuff, Mama Recycle. It's working. Great work, everyone. Now this scene is nice and clean. Unlike Mr. Weasel. Huh? I think we might have another customer, Mama Recycle. Bye, everyone. Hello, everyone. We're busy today. It's really important we keep Dylan's water levels topped up to keep his engine cool. Ready, mechanicals? Go, go, H2O! That's not good, mechanicals. There's no water coming from the pipes.
Oh, it's wonderful!
Soggy screwdrivers! Mr. Weasel's fountain is using all the water.
I thought frogs liked water.
We still need some clean water for Dylan's engine, or he'll overheat.
Not so fast, trash can. This is my water from my tap.
I know, Green. Water's for sharing, not wasting.
Oh, it's raining. My lovely hair might get wet. Oh.
Thanks, Blue. But we need to collect the precious rainwater. Quick, mechanicals! Use whatever you can. Great job, everyone. We've got the rain to thank for filling Dylan's tank.
Yeah!
Wow! What a lot of water Dylan's collected. We won't waste a drop of it. All jobs done. Before we use water, it's important to think how we use it wisely to wash, fill and drink.
My precious fountain.
Oh, Mr. Weasel, you'd best get a mop. And remember next time not to waste a drop. Spinning screwdrivers! Who could that be?
Oh, hello, Frog. Perhaps you've noticed my new car. This is Sylvester, or Sly for short.
Hi, Sylvester. Nice to meet you. Excuse us, please. Someone needs our help. Dylan's in trouble at the construction site.
Allow us to help. We'll get there in no time.
I think we'd better go anyway, mechanicals. Go, go, Tilly Tow Truck!
I wonder if we can help Dylan without getting close to that horrid mud. Ah! Not that button! Aha! I knew we'd fix this! Pull, Sly! Do I have to do everything myself? Pull me out, Sly! Curse this miserable mud!
Don't worry, we'll soon get you free. Go, go, mechanicals! Perhaps you'd like to visit my car wash, Sly.
Oh.
And you're welcome to use it too, Mr. Weasel.
No, thank you!
See you again soon, everyone. Bye! Hello, everyone. Oh, there's a lot of vehicles waiting to use the car wash today. Oh, thanks, Bobby.
Bah! Gecko has more customers than me. But if I break his car wash, everyone will have to use mine.
Oh, baby truck, what can we get you today? Oh, spinning screwdrivers! What's happening to the car wash? We need to switch it off. Oh no! We've got a runaway car wash.
Oh, this is just too funny!
Good golly, good gosh! Follow that car wash!
Oh, get away from me! I took a shower last week, thank you! No! No, 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 no! Ah!
We have to get in front of it! Mechanicals, we're going in! Mechanicals, climb up and unscrew that control panel! Now cut the red wire! Not the yellow wire! The red wire! Not green, red! Ah, phew. Bish bash bosh. We stopped the runaway car wash. But, how are we going to get this back to the garage? Bye, everyone.
Boo! Hee! Happy Halloween, everyone! Welcome to our ghoulish garage! Huh? That must be Trevor delivering his Halloween pumpkins.
Yeah.
Oh no! Someone's stolen Trevor's pumpkins! Who would be so mean on Halloween? We'll help you find your pumpkins, Trevor. Now that we've finished decorating the garage, come and see. Our celebrations were all too brief. It seems that there's a Halloween thief.
Come on in and have a squeal! My haunted house is a steal! Not so fast! It'll cost you a bucket of candy each! No, Sly! You overgrown pumpkin patch! Oh!
Sounds like Carrie's in trouble.
Come on, Blue!
Barry's in danger. Show us the way.
Huh? Spooky screwdrivers!
Let's get you out of here, Barry.
Thanks, Blue! You really are my knight in shining armour. Go, Barry!
Gecko!
I'll help you, Mr. Weasel. if you promise to return everything you've stolen.
Oh, okay. I promise.
Oh!
There you go, Trevor. Now everyone can enjoy your Halloween pumpkins.
Oh, I hate pumpkins. Oh! Not funny.
Bye, everyone. Happy Halloween.
Hello, everyone. We're just on our way to Cat's Base for a cake sale.
Hola, amigos. Welcome to my cake sale. We have donuts, cupcakes, and my favorite, tres leches.
Where are the cakes, Cat?
Oh no! My cakes have been stolen.
These cakes are delicious, and they're all mine. Not yours, Sly. Get your own. Oh. I'm so full. I think I'll just shut my eyes.
Oh, no! Mr. Weasel's asleep at the wheel after that sports car. Oh! Mr. Weasel! Wake up! We have to stop them! Hold on tight, mechanicals! Phew! Mr. Weasel, are you okay? It's okay, Sly. It's just a flat tyre. We can fix that. Gecko knows just what to do. With a patched up tyre, you're good as new.
Gecko, any sign of my cakes? Excelente! You found the cakes!
Yeah, well done, Sly.
No! Finders keepers. They're mine. Oh, no.
Come on, Cat. Let's get these treats back to your cake sale. Goodbye, everyone. Could you pass me a spanner, please, Blue? That's not a spanner, Blue. It's a wooden spoon. Sounds like baby truck. I wonder what all the excitement's about.
Presenting Wilbur T. Weasel's new electromagnet. Oh! How do I turn it off? Oh!
Oh, no! Mr. Weasel's got magnet trouble.
Everything's fine, Gecko. If you could just switch off the power by turning that bolt.
Blue, stop! A magnet attracts anything made of metal. Oh no! Mechanicals! Oh, I know, Mama Recycle. I need to turn the power down, but I can't use a metal tool. Of course! The wooden spoon! Huh? It's okay, friends. I'll free you soon. With a tool I made from a wooden spoon.
That's not going to work.
Is everyone okay? Oh, great. We'll see you all soon for more adventures at Gecko's Garage. Bye! Come on, Mechanicals. We have Fiona Fire Truck in today. Whoa!
I'm Wilbur T. Weasel, owner of Weasel's Wheels, fully automated to fix things fast.
Hello, Mr. Weasel. I'm Gecko.
Oh, here's my first customer. Every job is quickly done, so Weasel's Wheels is #1. See you, Frog?
The name's Gecko.
OK, Floella. Won't take long. I'm not too sure which button starts the service. Oh, pressing them all should do the trick. Come again, Felicity.
That was quick. Oh dear, she doesn't look good. Come in, Fiona. Let's have a look. That's the problem. Weasel was in such a rush to get things done that he put soap in your tank instead of oil. We fixed the problem properly. Now Fiona's running bubble-free.
I'm sure I pressed the right button. Oh, yuck!
Oops. See you again soon at Gecko's Garage. Bye! Hello, everyone. We're giving our friend Vicky the ice cream truck a full service. Thanks, Cat.
No problema, Gecko. I love to help. And I love ice cream too.
We just have to repair Vicky's ice cream maker. Let's hurry before the ice cream in here melts.
With a truck like that, I could have free ice cream all to myself.
Weasel's got Vicky.
Oh no! Poor Vicky! And the ice cream in here will melt without her. Come on, Cat! Go, Tilly Tow Truck!
Ice cream! Delicious ice cream! I can't wait to taste that cold, sweet, smooth ice. Oh! Wobbling whiskers! How can you be an ice cream truck without any ice cream? It must be in here somewhere. Which button for ice cream? Oh! Oh! No, go away! I don't have any ice cream for you, or even for me!
Oh, where is Vicky? We need to get this ice cream back inside her to keep it frozen. Wait, do you hear that? Vicky! Excuse me. Pardon? Thank you.
The beach! It's a dead end! Wasn't me! I'm no ice cream thief!
Vicky! Oh, we're so glad you're safe.
Gecko, the ice cream! Apúrate!
Yes, let's hurry, Cat. Grab your tools, it's fixing time. And while we fix, we say this rhyme. To move your ice cream, make it in a pinch. We'll pick it up with Tilly's winch. With your tasty treats in the right place, you can bring a smile to everyone's face. First, plug it in for the power to freeze. Then connect the pipes. And serve with ease. All right, who wants ice cream? Till next time, everyone. Goodbye.
Where's all this mess come from? Oh, Mr. Weasel, are you okay?
I made Vicky the fastest ice cream truck in the world, but she jetted off before I could have an ice cream.
We have to stop Vicky before she causes any more damage. Here she comes. Ready, Blue? Blue, quick, hit the off button. Oh, phew. Well done, Blue.
I still haven't had my ice cream. Oh!
Oh,
I hate rockets.
come on, Mechanicals. Let's go and check he's okay. See you again soon. Bye!
Hello, everyone. We're just about to fit Trevor's new attachment. Green, could you please pass me? Green? Green? Green, where are you? Oh, Green's watering her favourite tree.
Out of the way, Tiny! I'm going to build my new junk food cafe, and this tree is in my way. Move it, trash can! This tree's history. Ha!
Mr. Weasel, you can't cut down Green's favourite tree.
Why not? It's just a silly tree.
Because, apples. Aha! That gives me an idea. Trevor!
Wobbling whiskers! What are you up to?
See, Mr. Weasel? The tree's important. It grows tasty apples. You don't need a junk food cafe when you have this tree.
Oh, you think I'd rather have some silly apples than... That's delicious.
I'm proud of you, Green. You were brave and protected this tree. Well done.
Gecko. Hola, mechanicals.
Hi, Cat. The mechanicals have been so excited to see you. Oh, I think the mechanicals wish they could fly like you, Cat.
Make that junk fly, Sly.
Ah, no more pesky cars cluttering up my nice clean garage.
This is not junk.
You're right, Cat. We can use this stuff. Waste not, want not.
I can tell you have an idea already, Gecko.
Let's just say I'm aiming high. Amazing work, team. That was quick as a flash.
We built a flying machine from a pile of trash.
Go, go, mechanicals. It's time to fly high up in the sky.
Ah, all nice and clean after touching that horrible junk. And it's vanished already. I'll never see that rubbish again. Ah!
We are quite a team, on land and now in the air.
Yes, Cat, that's true. And the sky's the limit to what we can do. Hello, everyone. We've replaced Trevor's old wheels with a new set. His back tyres are huge, with deep tread to help grip in the mud. And as a thank you, Trevor's made us a corn maze to play in.
Hop it, Frog. I'm going first.
Good luck, Mr. Weasel. Don't get lost. Go, go, Tilly Tow Truck. Let's find our way through the maze.
Huh? No way through. This maze is too hard, and now it's raining. Oh, yuck.
Oops, not this way, Mex. Let's turn another way.
Ah, this maze is broken. We have to beat Gecko. Let's trim this trip. Mazes are so easy. Out of the way, you tinkering toad!
Oh no! The rain has made it muddy, and Sly is stuck. Flipping screwdrivers, so is Tilly.
I'll be stuck in this miserable, muddy maze forever.
Don't worry, Mr. Weasel. There's always hope. I have an idea. Come in, Cat.
Hola, Gecko.
We're stuck in the crop maze and need Trevor's old wheels to help Tilly grip in the mud.
No problema, Gecko. I can use Helena's grabbing arm to help. Did somebody order 2 wheels and an axle?
Thanks, Cat. Now it's up to us. Pick up your tools and say this rhyme. At Gecko's garage, it's mixing time. We'll replace Tilly's wheels with Trevor's old set, so she can grip on ground that's muddy and wet. A longer axle is what Tilly requires for 2 big wheels with giant tyres. With her new wheels, we could easily factor that Tilly the tow truck is now Tilly the tractor!
Wait for me!
It's working! Now let me guide you out of here. Now turn left. Almost there. Now right.
We made it! Ah, well done, everyone.
But I'll be the winner!
Mummy.
the winner today. Goodbye, everyone.